10 lines on Indian national flag Tiranga for kids. The Indian national flag is known as the Tiranga or tricolor. It has three color stripes: saffron, white, and green. Saffron stands for courage and strength. White represents peace and truth. Green symbolizes growth, fertility, and prosperity of the land. In the center of the white strip, there's a blue wheel is called the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes and it stands for justice and progress. We celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day by hoisting the flag. The flag is always respected and never touched the ground. When we see the Tiranga, we feel proud of our country. The Indian flag is a beautiful symbol of our nation's spirit. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.